Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, today we're going to take some Pinstripe off of my full-size Ford F-150 with this tool right here. Now let's bring the camera right over here. This is a Master Pro refinishing brand eraser wheel, okay? I've used these before. I think I've used the 3M brand and everything. We picked this up today at our local parts store. We're going to unbox this thing and hook it up to a drill. It says 4,000 RPM is maximum speed. I know I've used them in the past on a die grinder before, but just kind of not like let it get up to maximum speed. You know, I didn't let it turn up to 18,000 RPM. I just kind of variably held it with the trigger and kind of controlled the speed of it. So we'll see if it'll work okay on a drill. If not, we might actually put it on a die grinder as well. And I do want to show you something here, guys. When using these things, as first time I've ever read the packaging on one, there's a warning: cancer and reproductive harm from 1,3 butylene. I guess that's butylene. And it is a website that you can go to, P65 warnings, to view, I guess, the data that they've collected about these things possibly causing cancer. Just want to put that warning out there before you actually use one. We're going to use this today. Stand by as we get this thing chucked up in our drill, and we'll see how well it works. Okay, we got our 10 snips here, guys. This makes it the easiest to get into stuff like this. Sometimes these little plastic containers that they package things in can be virtually impossible to get into, but I found a good sharp pair of 10 snips works pretty doggone good. Okay, let's get our eraser wheel out. I'm gonna lay it right there for a second. And it comes with a little arbor as well, okay? And what we're gonna do is screw the arbor onto the eraser wheel. And then Nathaniel has said that I could borrow his brand new DeWalt drill, okay, that he got for Christmas. And guys, we're gonna do a review on the Nathaniel's Christmas present here pretty soon. He got a drill and a cordless impact, 2 batteries, and a charger for Christmas. All right, we're gonna head out now, and we're gonna see if this will take some Pinstripe off. Follow us. Okay guys, I've already taken a little bit off here. I just want to see if it was working, and it is working. I'm going to show you. Bring the camera on closer so people can see. All right, folks, as you can see, this is taking it off pretty quick, okay, with just a cordless drill. Okay folks, hey, I want to show you something I kind of figured out on my own as I'm going. If you play with the speed, actually I think the lower speed actually works better. So there's no real need in getting out the die grinder. So I found if I hit it at just the right speed, it actually starts grabbing this stuff and just like peeling up big pieces of it, like right here. See here? It'll just grab and just pull off some larger pieces. So I think as I play around with this thing a little bit more, it'll actually go a little faster when we hit that speed just right. So we're going to continue on. Hey folks, I want to add a couple more things to this video here today. One thing is we are removing this pinstripe on this older Ford truck here because we're getting ready to have some decals and lettering put on the truck for our new stump grinding business. And I just thought it would look better to take the horizontal pinstripe off of the car. So I want to let you know what we're going to do here. We're going to get this vehicle ready for this decaling. So we're going to clean this truck up really good, and we're going to take our buffer with some 3M Finesse It or some other type of mild cutting cream, and we're going to buff this thing out. We're going to get all the oxidation off of this vehicle, and then we're going to letter this thing up, and then we'll put a nice wax job on the whole thing. So guys, we'll be making some videos about that in the up and coming days as we're getting our business truck up and ready for service. Look how that just pulled off in one piece there, guys. Look at it coming off of there. You gotta find the right speed and the right pressure. All right, let me move back up that way. That was awesome. Uh-oh. What? Dead battery. We gotta go use the other battery. All right. Wow, man, that stuff's just coming right on off there, ain't it? getting close to the end, guys. Not much more to go. Oh, our battery's getting low. Will it make it? Will it make it? Will it make it? Yes. All right, guys. Hey, that just about does it. We have completed this truck here. We took a little break because we ran 2 batteries dead earlier. We ran the one in his DeWalt dead and one in my Makita. So we threw them in a charger, went down and visited mom and dad a little bit, come back home, and we knocked this side here out in probably, what, 15 minutes, Nathaniel? We're done. We've like really got it in the groove now, okay? Slow RPMs and a little bit of light pressure, and bam, this stuff just pulls right off of here, guys. So now you'll see us working on this truck a little bit more. We're getting it ready for our stump grinding business. We'll be buffing on some stuff here in a few days. I want to thank you for stopping by, checking this video out today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will put you a link down below for one of these wheels here. I'll try to find one on Amazon for you. It might be a little bit cheaper than this one. This was about 35 bucks at the parts store. Works pretty good though. As you can see, we got some wear on it today, so they don't last forever, but we got one pinstripe removing job out of it anyway. Guys, take care. We'll see you next time. Check out our other 2 channels, RJW Financial Coaching. There'll be a link down below, and the Personal Body Makeover. Subscribe today, guys. We'll see you next time. Come back and see us. Bye-bye.